Hobbit and welcome back to another episode of Gollum Reads. And today we are reading Bilal Cooks Daal. And in this story, precious, yes, Bilal shares his recipe for dal. Yes, and he's scared his friends won't like it. But in the end, they realise it is scrumptious. Let's get into the story, shall we? Bilal is barking outside with his friends when his father steps out of the house. Bilal, it's time to begin cooking dinner, says Abu. Bilal's friends ask why they would need to start cooking so early. This dish takes patience, Abu says. This dish takes time. It's the best meal of all, says Bilal. It's dal. What's dal like, precious? Is it salty? Does it taste really good? Dal is nutty and creamy and warm like soup. They're all different kinds. Come see, you can help us pick which one. They take off their shoes. They wash their handsies. Bilal grabs a stool. They study the colours. Yellow, orange, green, brown. Yellow, Elias says, because yellow is sunflowers, rubber ducks in the sun. And Chana Dal is my favourite, Bilal says. When Abu scoops out a cup of the bright yellow dal, it clatters into the bowl. They're small like pebbles, but shaped like pancakes. What's pancakes, precious? And they slip through Bilal's fingers like sand. They line up the spices. Bilal breathes in the scent of turmeric, chili, cumin. Morgan sprinkles salt. Elias tries to help. Bilal combines the spices. Abu pulls out a pot, the biggest they have. It looks funny, Morgan frowns. It smells funny too, precious, whispers Elias. Do you think it will taste okay, my love? And suddenly, Bilal is a little tiny bit worried that maybe, just maybe, his friends won't like dal at all. Gollum! Is it ready? Asks Elias. Can we taste? Asks Morgan. No, Abu explains. Dal takes time. We have to wait. The flavors mix together slowly. You kids go play and have fun while it cooks. Yes, put on your shoes. They run outside to play hopscotch, precious. Elias numbers the sidewalk to 20. Let's make it longer to 100, he says. It'll definitely be done by then. So they hop, skip, and jump to the end. Caleb and Emma join too. Let's check if it's ready. Let's go take a bite. Yes. Not yet, Bilal tells him. Dal takes time. We have to wait, precious. They put on swimsuits, slip down the slide, and cannonball into Morgan's pool. Elias floats, Morgan dives. Some more neighborhood kids join them, and they all play Marco Polo. Is the dal done? Asks Morgan. It's got to be ready by now. Splash! Bilal squints at the sun. It's not as high in the sky. Almost, he tells them. Daal takes time. We have to wait. They hike through the forest and skip peppers in the stream. The sun starts to set, and they watch fireflies glow. They hear Abu call out, "Bilal! It's almost time!" Gollum! They march up the cobblestone steps. Up, up, up. They knock on the yellow door, and as loud as they can, they ask, "Is it done?" "Come see." Abu smiles and opens the door wider. The kids rush inside. Bilal lifts up the lid. He peeks in the pot. Abu says, "Ready for the final steps, my love?" They dice up the onions, chop ginger, press garlic, squeezy the lemonsies, and top it off with fresh cilantro. Bilal puts out plates. Abu sets out the naan. The kids pull up every chair in the house. He really wants it, yes. Yum! Bilal watches his friends take a spoonful of dal. "It's steamy," says Morgan. "Like soup," says Elias. "Slope! It tastes garlicky and salty and sweet. I like the onions. I like the lemon. And the way it's so creamy, it melts in your mouth." Daal takes time. We had to wait, precious, but Bilal, you were right. Daal tastes great. Bilal looks at his dad and smiles. Abu winks. "Tasty, isn't it?" he says, "like my army once made. My friends and I helped her once, like you. Yes." Daal is tiny, Daal is tough, but with a little time and a lot of patience, it becomes the softest, tastiest, best thing in the whole world. And the best part is sharing it with friends. That's why Bilal loves Daal so much. Gollum! We hope you enjoyed this reading of Bilal Cooks Daal. And if you did, yes, don't forget to smash the like button and leave your comments down below. Do it! Yes, and if you want to see more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe. Do it! You know you want to, my love. Yes, do it. Until next time, Hobbitses. Gollum, Gollum.